You don't have to learn complicated software to make professional videos like this. In this quick tutorial, you'll learn everything you need to start using Pictory to make your first video today. Pictory has a popular script-to-video tool that uses AI to transform your script into a video, complete with stock footage, fancy captions, background music, and even AI voiceovers, all with the click of a few buttons. Let me show you how it works. Okay, when you open the app, you're going to see 4 tools here. What we want is the first tool called Script to Video. When you're ready to get started, click the Proceed button here. Now enter the working title of your video here. You can change this later. Then paste the text for your script here in the box below. Once you're satisfied with your script, click the Proceed button here in the top right corner. Next, you'll see the Templates library. Simply scroll through the library to find the template that you like. Click on a template you'd like to use and choose an aspect ratio to proceed. Pictory.ai is now reading your script and automatically selecting your visuals for each scene. It's even generating those fancy captions for you. This can take a moment, so just let it do its thing. Each line from your script will become its own scene within the video. And now I'm going to show you how you can quickly change any captions or visuals to add even more polish to your videos. And don't worry, upgrading to any paid plan removes all of the watermarks on your final videos. Let's start by reviewing our scene's text and captions first. If you look on the far left of your screen, here in the navigation menu, you'll see that we're in the Story View tab. Okay, here on the left half of your screen, you can quickly edit scene captions by clicking on them and changing the text. On the right half of the screen, you'll see the video preview area with the row of scene thumbnails at the bottom. Click any of the thumbnails to select the scene. You'll see the visual for that scene now show up in the video preview along with the caption. You can edit the captions directly on the preview video just by clicking on them. And once you click on that caption, you'll see the menu above the preview video where you can quickly make adjustments to caption styles and positioning. You'll recognize most of these font styling controls from other apps that you use. Play around with them when you have some time. We'll be covering advanced caption styling in a future video. These look pretty good to me, so I'm just going to leave it on the default settings for now. Now let's edit our visuals. Back in the far left navigation menu under Story, you'll see the Visuals tab. Click on that. Included with every Pictory paid plan is access to over 3 million royalty-free visuals that you can use in your videos. To review the visuals for the scenes, just click on the thumbnails below and kind of go through them to make sure that they fit the message and theme of your video. To replace a video in one of your scenes, click on the scene to select it, and then search the library for some keywords that you think would better represent that scene. Once you find a scene you like, just click on it and you'll see that it instantly replaces the video in your scene on the right. Pretty cool, huh? And then repeat as necessary until you're happy with your video visuals. Now we'll add some audio. Back again in the far left navigation menu, you'll see the Audio tab. Click on that. And you can see that there's a ton of background music that's available for you here. Just play around with it until you find something that fits the vibe of your video. You can preview each track by clicking this play button, and if you find one that you like, you can click this apply button to use it. Next, you can add an AI voiceover to narrate your video for you. Here in the audio view next to background music is the voiceover tab. Click on that. You have the flexibility to choose between male or female AI voices. It's just a matter of preference. Try them out and see which one you like the best. Now, I prefer to use my own voiceover. And you can upload your own voiceover here in the My Uploads tab. The last thing I want to mention real quick is branding. You can find that tab over here under the far left navigation menu. This is where you can add your own custom intros, outros, and logos, but more on that in a future video. Once you're done with your video, it's automatically saved in your My Projects folder. You can preview it or you can download it. Depending on the size of your video, this can take a minute, so I just let it do its own thing. You can click this Run in Background button, and Pictory will send you a notification as soon as the video is done. Nice. Remember, your first video doesn't have to be perfect. Just do your best to make a quick video today, and then come share it inside our official Pictory Creators Facebook group to get friendly feedback and helpful tips from our team and other creators just like you.